but we only have it on Blu-ray.
Another book! That's not a book, that's a card.
To you? Can I read it to you? Julia. 3. I think it was before regular.
Oh, yay!
That's okay, just say it.
That's just an extra big 3. That's all that is.
It's all for you. You're 4 today. Have a great
3.
3 today. Oh yeah, 3.
Who would do such a thing?
Get an extra $1. Don't complain. How about this? She's 3 and
Yeah.
3 and 3/30.
Happy 2000th birthday.
Birthday to our lovely. Whoa! This will be the granddaughter on her 3rd birthday. Love you very much. There you go. Love. And God bless Grandpa Rusty and Nana. What do you say? Thank you. Here, we'll just like that off like this. Yeah.
It's a cake.
Oh my goodness. I don't know. Open it. No, let her open it when it's your birthday. You can open it.
I already had my birthday.
What is that?
Doc McStuffins.
Oh, look at that.
That's a doctor kid. Look at that smile.
Are you going to be a doctor?
What do you say to Nana and Grandpa Rusty? That was so nice.
Look right here and say thank you.
Uncle Christopher.
I know. It was this is from Nana and Grandpa Rusty too. They got you 2 presents. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Here,
It's not every day a girl turns 4.
Mommy,
Stop pulling
can
it.
every kid play with one of? Can every kid?
Let's just wait,
We're gonna
Gracie.
let her open all her presents.
No, I'm not talking about the present. Can every girl play with one of the toys?
Well, those are the presents, aren't they?
Oh.
Who is it?
It's Sophia the bird.
What do you say? Is there a... Oh. Push your button necklace.
Cheetos.
That is really neat.
My back is sweaty.
Oh.
What did you say?
My back is sweaty.
You heard it all.